Hello guys, in this video we'll be completing the hands-on challenge from the unit Customize the position page layout. So let's quickly jump into our hands-on challenge, our Trailhead diagram. So the first thing is we'll be creating fields on the position object. So let's quickly jump into our position object from the object manager and search for it from the quick find position. Once we are in the position object, let's go to fields and relationships. Here we'll be creating a new pick list. So the first thing is for the operating systems. So let's copy our operating systems label, paste it, and here we're going to select values separated by a line, which are going to be Windows, Unix, and Mac. There is nothing else to change in this section, so let's go to next. Here let's select and deselect the visible checkbox near the column. So this will uncheck all of them. So the profiles we need over here are Recruiter Technical and the System Administrator. Once you've selected both of them, let's go to next and let's uncheck our page layouts as in step 9 and go to Save in New. So we'll follow the same procedure by creating another pick list. So this pick list is for programming languages. So let's copy paste our label and again select enter values separated by lines. So and let's type in our programming languages manually dot followed by Java, PHP, Perl, and Python. So once we've typed in, let's go to next. And again, let's do the same for profiles by selecting Recruiter Technical and System Administrator. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and again deselect position layout, click on save. So now we have created two fields which are two pick lists. So now let's work with the page layouts. First thing, let's jump into page layouts and create a new one. Here we'll be selecting the existing page layout, which is the position layout, and let's copy our page layout name and click on save. So once our layout has been created, let's drag section from the palette and drop it just below the position details section. So this is the position details section. So let's drop our section over here. And this is going to be a technical skills section. So let's copy and paste with a one column layout. Let's click on OK. So in this layout, we are going to have operating systems and programming language fields. So let's drag both of them, operating systems and programming language. Once we've done that, let's go ahead and save it. So finally, we'll be doing edit the page layout for the position object. So the recruiter, technical and system administrator profiles always use the technical position page. So let's click on page layout assignment. And click on edit assignment. So for the recruiter technical profile, click on the cell in the technical position column. This will be my technical position column. Take here as technical position here. Okay, and let's do the same for system administrator profile as well. So let's go for system administrator and select this and select a technical position here. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and save it. So I had to change my, the record type to D due to a couple of issues. So let's see if we can get this challenge verified. Yeah, that's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye bye.